Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am posting my first ever unboxing video. It's on this product right here. This is the Redragon K585 DITI one-handed RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. It has Temu blue switches, multiple programmable macro keys, USB pass-through, and a detachable wrist rest that connects with magnets. Now, if you look at the front of the box here, it's let you know exactly what you're getting. It's a large image of the keyboard, which is nice and glossy, feels raised from the nice matte finish on the box. Got the Redragon logo in the top left. Got some gaming buzzwords in the top right down the side. And it has the product name in the bottom right. Well, let's flip it over and look at the back. Let's see, you have the logo in the top left here, followed by all the features listed right down the left side. Again, you have these glossy images. It shows your detachable wrist rest, how it connects with magnets, your USB pass-through port, which looks like it's beside the Type-C connector, which is removable, so that's a good thing. Again, this feels solid, feels like a good box. So, how about we just open it up, see what we got. All right, here, so make sure we don't drop anything. Get this box out of here. All right, what's underneath? Okay, so looks like what's in this right here. Probably some extra keycap. Nope, looks like some switches. We got some spare switches, some blue switches, Temu switches. A nice manual, obviously. It's pretty big. Oh, well, not much English in there. Nice braided cable. I love braided cables. So much better than those other plasticky ones. Oh, and I dropped it. Good on you, Andrew. Always dropping stuff. So, this is the braided cable. Doesn't seem very short. Seems like a good distance for a keyboard especially. And two keycap pullers. One plastic and one metal by the looks of it. Let's put them over to the side. Alright, now let's take a look at this board. Pull this out somehow without dropping it. Let's see. All right. So there it is. That's the Redragon one-handed RGB mechanical gaming keyboard with its very clicky switches that I just love. Feels good. Like look, there's no flex at all. I can't flex that. You don't hear it even trying to flex. Like I'm always amazed in the product quality that Redragon ships with. This would be your wrist rest, your magnetic wrist rest. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty strong magnets. Oh, those pads on the bottom, I guess, gripping it pretty good. Doesn't want to move unless I force it. Keys feel good. I don't seem like I'm really stretching to touch anything. Obviously, if I needed the macro keys or something, it'd be a bit different, but it feels very, very fluid, like regular left side of a keyboard. My hands, it just feels normal, so that's great. I love the tactile feedback on these switches. It's not too much of a bump, but it lets you know when you've pushed the key. The clickiness, I love it, so it doesn't bother me whatsoever. I'm not sure about this wrist rest though. I don't have much room on my desk here, so we're just going to move this. We're going to look at this part. Alright. Well, there's the I/O I was talking about. That's where your USB-C would go in. That's your USB pass-through, so that's good. Let's check out the back. You have your logo, your model number, 4 grippy pads, which I showed you already. Hold it really good. And that's with a lot of force. So I don't know, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm liking it. I can't wait to test this. This is a very, very nice board. I definitely, without testing it, think this is gonna be great for my gaming. So I'd like to thank Redragon for sending this to me, and I'm going to get testing. Well, I guess that's all for the unboxing of the Redragon K585 one-handed RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. If you're interested in getting your own, you can visit redragonshop.com or click the link I've posted in the description. Also, if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up, or if you would like to see me do a full review on this product, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll get right on that. Thanks for watching.